Mirror magic. Transform your space with stunning mirror ideas. Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Heidi, the founder of Her Decorating Business, the course that teaches creative women how to start their own interior decorating businesses. Today, we're delving into the enchanting world of mirrors. Mirrors aren't just for checking your reflection, they have the power to completely transform a space, adding depth, light, and style. Get ready to learn how to use mirrors to enhance your space and create a truly captivating interior. Let's dive in. I once had a lovely client say to me after we had styled her house, "I think I know your secret now, Heidi, using mirrors to make every room look bigger and more beautiful." And whilst I don't put mirrors in every room, I do love to use them a lot. And I generally go with a big is beautiful approach. Mirrors are like the superheroes of interior design. They can make a room feel larger and brighter by reflecting light and creating the illusion of space. Whether you're dealing with a cozy nook that needs some visual breathing room or a dim area that could use a little sparkle, mirrors are a fantastic solution. When it comes to picking out a mirror for your space, size and style are where it's at. A big mirror can make a bold statement and visually expand a room, while a cluster of smaller mirrors can add a touch of playfulness and intrigue. Consider the vibe of your space, whether it's sleek and modern, classic and cozy, or a mix of everything, and choose a mirror that fits the bill. Round and oval mirrors are something we use a lot in our clients' homes, and more recently organic shaped mirrors that can be offset with a large vase for a really interesting, less standard look. Let's talk strategy for mirror placement in your home. Placing a mirror across from a window can work wonders by bouncing natural light around and making your space feel oh so inviting. Mix and match mirror placements to find the perfect setup for your space. I like to use mirrors as you would use an artwork. And if you already have an artwork in a space and have a wall that needs something, a mirror can be a great way to create interest without competing with that existing artwork. Another way to use mirrors, in contemporary and boho styling in particular, is to add a floor mirror, leaning against a wall. I love this as a way to add layering to a space. It looks really hip in a contemporary apartment. In more classic styles, a more ornate mirror above a fireplace can add a big dose of wow to a room. The way I most commonly use mirrors is above a console table or a buffet sideboard. Often entry hallways can be a little dark, and a mirror can be a great way to lighten things up and pretty them up simultaneously. Having some accessories on a console table can look great, as well as being really functional too. A great spot to pop your keys when you get home, and also fabulous to make sure you don't have toothpaste on your face before leaving the house. I also love to put a mirror behind your dining table to open up the room and add a touch of elegance. Want to make your room feel twice as big? Reflect the opposite wall or a view to outdoors with a mirror. Let your imagination run wild with mirror placements and watch your space transform before your eyes. Once you've decked out your space with mirrors, it's all about keeping them in tip-top shape. Give your mirrors a regular wipe down with some glass cleaner and a soft cloth to keep them streak-free and sparkling. Avoid harsh chemicals and abrasive materials that could harm your mirror's surface. With a little TLC, your mirrors will keep on dazzling for years to come. Now it's time to tackle some of your burning questions about all things mirror decor. Got a question of your own? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to see how you've jazzed up your space with mirrors. Share mirror decor snaps on social media using #mirrormagic. And you could be featured in one of our upcoming videos. I can't wait to see your mirror masterpieces. That's a wrap on today's video. I hope you are feeling inspired to work some mirror magic in your own space and create a home that truly shines. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more design fun, and ring the bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, happy decorating!